gonna take connecting rod, bearing clearance, vertical bearing clearance, the dial gauge. And before we can take the clearance, we have to get a true zero, which we're gonna take by,
Speak up, man.
we're gonna take our true zero before we can take our vertical bearing clearance. So we roughly guess it. Okay. And now as he pulls up the chain fold up, he's gonna center this bearing and it'll give us a true zero. We'll pop it, we'll release it, find our true zero again, and we're off to the races. Should acceptable, probably about 47 is the clearance in millimeters, 0.47. Up! Take a while here. The center of the bearing out now. And that's for perfect the first time.
What's the chance of that?
Well, it'd be pretty fucking good. There we go, see zeroing, there. Whoa! That we were almost dead on. Okay, release! Off! So you have 42 cleared. Okay, see that? That was pretty close, weren't we? Okay, so now we'll just, there you go, we're pretty damn, we're only off by 0.01 mil.
So he'll true zero it now.
Okay, go ahead. On. One more. Okay. 41. Give me one more tug. One more. One more. Okay. No, we take the initial bump. So it was 42. Off. You see everything moved?
Yeah.
All right, we're back to natural zero, so that was a true 42. One more to show us that we are right.